we found something weird, we're going to get it. If the rain don't beat us to it. Ta-da! 76 Chevy LUV. Thanks to Lebo. Now we creeping through Knoxpater, Mississippi. We gotta get her back to the shop. We put her on backwards. It was easier that way. It's a 76 Chevy LUV. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got a, it looked like a Datsun 4-cylinder and automatic. Was told that it runs. So maybe we do another Chevette type deal and get it running and send her down the road cheap. We don't have a whole lot in it, so we got options. All right, we got back with it, and what she looks like is a 76 Chevy LUV, two-wheel drive. It's got a super nice interior for all things considered. Good headliner. Mileage, who knows? Showing something out of 692. When last time we saw one though, huh? And this one's got the little Datsun motor. And the story goes, the guy was in the process of restoring it, and he put a fresh engine in. And you can tell it's clean. Yeah, motor looks clean in it, and he never finished it. And here we are, we wound up with it. The radiator's in the back. He just never got it buttoned up. And what do we do with it, right? Who knows? The only rust I found is the hood, that spot. And when you pop the doors open, the rocker's got a little bit, but that seems to be about the gist of it. So you got the original interior in it. Cool little truck. It's a factory automatic. It's got this Isuzu in it. Yeah. Then, which the LUV was in Isuzu. See the fresh paint on the block? It's clean. As far as LUVs go, boy, she's really straight. And I have no clue what we're gonna do with it, like I say. I don't know if we should try to restore it or sell it to somebody else who wants a Chevy LUV. We threw some newer model cat eye wheels on the back just to make a roller out of her. He wanted to keep the wheels he had on it. But we do have 3 of the LUV style wheels. That's a cool little truck. A lot of guys put 350s in them and hop them up, make drag trucks out of them. But I don't know, it would be neat. We got about 6 LSs we could put in it. Would be a death trap, wouldn't it? But like I said, overall, she's straight. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know. This is a 76, so they had quad headlights. I don't know. It's cool though. It's another one of them you just happen to run across. How many of you guys had a LUV or remember them? I grew up in one of these in the 80s. We rode 5 deep in it on the way to school. We were kids, but my goodness, I couldn't see 5 people in it now. I think we've gotten larger as a society. Cool truck though, I wanted to show y'all. Isn't that right, Bean? Bean's okay, she's just sleeping.